Roast pork belly with top they call me Poppy because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt and boiled potatoes. I prefer a bit of chew to mine, but in some parts of the country, they keep going until it turns brittle. The sauce is a simple white roux sauce with a boatload of parsley in it. It's traditionally served with new potatoes. Gotta do the bandeja paisa from Colombia flag co pollo with tostones and steamed rice. Puerto Rico. Man, a good biscuit is transcendent. And I'm talking about the American kind. Cooks Illustrated has a flaky buttermilk biscuit recipe that will knock your socks off. It's kinda like a potato salad. Top they call me Poppy because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. Some recipes online say to use top they call me Poppy because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence. Shirts use that, and I added northern white beans and mayo per BF's request. I couldn't really find it by this name he gave me and ended up using this recipe. I'm never sure if Australians really talk about this or if you just do it online to confuse everyone. I have never had the bread buttered in a Bunnings sausage as that fancy regional thing. Enjoy a great Aussie pastime that we love to eat in the of our local Bunnings store on a weekend. Until sold out, with all proceeds going to a charity or local club. We have missed out on this for months due to COVID. Sad times. Enjoy your food journey. Other product.